What's the meaning of altar? Altar. 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 Altar.
An altar is typically a raised structure that serves as a focal point for religious or spiritual activities. It can be found in various forms and sizes, but its primary function is to provide a space for offerings, prayer, and other rituals. Altars are often adorned with sacred symbols or objects, and their design and decoration vary greatly depending on the religion, culture, or tradition they represent. In short, an altar is a place of worship or reverence, meant to connect people with the divine or the supernatural.